मुझे रात का खाना पेश किया गया। I was served dinner. I was served dinner. मैंने आपको गलत समझा। I was wrong about you. I was wrong about you. मैं इसे दिलो जान से करूँगा। I'll do it with heart and soul. I'll do it with heart and soul. मैं कोई भी कसर बाकी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I'll leave no stone unturned. I'll leave no stone unturned. ये तो बड़ी ही शर्म की बात है। It's a matter of great shame. It's a matter of great shame. मैं भी आपके लिए ऐसा ही करना चाहता हूँ। I wish to do the same for you. I wish to do the same for you. मैंने बड़ी मेहनत की, फिर भी कामयाब ना हो सका। I worked very hard. Still I couldn't get success. I worked very hard. Still I couldn't get success. मैं बस अभी तैयार होता हूँ। I'll be ready in a moment. I'll be ready in a moment. मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to you. मुझे कहीं भी खुद से जाने की इजाज़त नहीं है। I'm not allowed to go anywhere on my own. I'm not allowed to go anywhere on my own. अब मैं किसी काम का नहीं हूँ। I'm of no use anymore. I'm of no use anymore. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। I'm out of money. I'm out of money. मैं खुद से मश्क कर रहा हूँ। I'm practicing on my own. I'm practicing on my own. मेरे पास वक्त कम है। I'm short of time. I'm short of time. मुझे कामयाबी का यकीन है, इंशाअल्लाह। I'm sure to get successful, inshallah. I'm sure to get successful, inshallah. माफ करें, मैं आपका नाम भूल रहा हूँ। I'm afraid your name escapes me. I'm afraid your name escapes me. माफ करें, मैंने गलती से आपकी छतरी ले ली। I'm sorry, I took your umbrella by mistake. I'm sorry, I took your umbrella by mistake. वो क्या कहता है मुझे इसकी कोई परवाह नहीं। I don't give a damn about what he says. I don't give a damn about what he says. मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है। I don't care. I don't care. मुझे लग रहा था कि आज आप आओगे। I had a hunch that you would come today. I had a hunch that you would come today. मैंने आपका कुछ बुरा नहीं किया। I've done you no wrong. I've done you no wrong. आपसे कल मिलूंगा, ठीक है? I'll see you tomorrow, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, okay? आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो तो मैं पंखा चला दूं? If you don't mind, I would like to turn on the fan. If you don't mind, I would like to turn on the fan. ऐसी बात नहीं है. It is not the case. It is not the case. मुझे आपसे कुछ पूछना है. I've something to ask you. I've something to ask you. अगर जरूरी हुआ. If necessary. If necessary. फौरन. Immediately. Immediately. दुनिया के कोने कोने में. In all parts of the world. In all parts of the world. जिंदगी में हमें उतार चढ़ाव का सामना करना पड़ता है. In life, we have to face ups and downs. In life, we have to face ups and downs. साइकिल में हवा भर दो. Inflate the cycle. Inflate the cycle. क्या ये वाकई सच है? Is that really true? Is that really true? इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. It does not make any sense. It does not make any sense. इससे तुम्हारा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. मेरे लिए सब बराबर है. It is all the same for me. It is all the same for me. ये अल्लाह का फैसला है. It is an act of God. It is an act of God. आज हवा बहुत तेज चल रही है. It is blowing very hard today. It is blowing very hard today. दो ही चीजें हैं, हार या जीत. It is one of two, lose or win. It is one of two, lose or win. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. मेरी घड़ी में 5 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी हैं. It is 10 minutes to 5 by my watch. It is 10 minutes to 5 by my watch. अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम अपना हिसाब बराबर कर लें. It is time to settle our account. It is time to settle our account. ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब बारिश होने वाली है. It looks as if it is going to rain. It looks as if it is going to rain. आयब करने को भी हुनर चाहिए. It takes skill even to do wrong. It takes skill even to do wrong. कल बड़े जोर की बारिश हुई. It rained very heavily yesterday. It rained very heavily yesterday. इससे काम चल जाता है. It serves the purpose. It serves the purpose. ये तो बस गलती से हो गया. It was merely done by mistake. It was merely done by mistake. ये आपका कसूर ना था. It was not your fault. It was not your fault. आखिरी वक्त में अपना नाम वापस लेना गलत होगा. It will be wrong to withdraw my name at the last minute. It will be wrong to withdraw my name at last minute. اس سے فقط پریشانی آئے گی. It will bring nothing but trouble. It will bring nothing but trouble. اس میں تو بہت پریشانی ہوگی. It will cause a lot of trouble. It will cause a lot of trouble. اس سے میرا کام چل جائے گا. It will serve my purpose.